Hey guys, so today I have my Sephora Play box for the month of June. So let's get into it and see what's in here. Alright, so the first product, it looks like these are the samples for this month. This is the Klorane Anti-Pollution Conditioner and Shampoo, it looks like. So I do really like trying out these little sample sizes of shampoo and conditioner just to see which one I should buy next. I do end up using them, and they're also really great for traveling too, so that's nice. The first actual product in here is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I love this lip sleeping mask. It is my favorite. I use it basically every night when I'm not using my Bite Agave sleep mask. And I got like the one that I have already, so I'll definitely probably put this one in my purse, because it is really good just to use as like a lip balm at all times. I really love it. And it smells like pink Starburst to me. Like, yeah, just like pink Starburst. It's really nice, and I would definitely recommend this to everybody. Next thing in here is from Herbivore, and this is the Rose Hibiscus Coconut Water Hydrating Face Mist. So this is just like a general refreshing face mist, I guess. Try it out, see how I like it. Definitely smells like roses. Okay, so it was nice and refreshing. I'll definitely give it that. I have tried some sprays from Herbivore before, and I do like them. It's just like, not like necessarily makeup setting, but just like throughout the day, if you're feeling like hot or dry or whatever, it's really nice to just spray these on your face. And it's just like a little size, so I can take it in my purse maybe. It's like a glass bottle too, so it's really nice. Next in here is, ooh, this is the Tarte Foundcealer. So this is their new foundation concealer thing. I got the shade Fair Light Sand. I have tried this. I'm actually wearing it today. I used the shade Fair Light Beige, I think. So I feel like this is pretty close. I'll definitely give it a try on this shade and see how I like it. And I do really like the foundation. It's very hydrating, and it just feels nice and moisturizing on the skin. And it has like a good medium coverage to it, so I do really like it. Next we have, oop, this one lost its lid. This is the Farmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. We actually got this before in a BoxyCharm, I think it was. Something like that. Maybe it was an Ipsy, I don't know. Maybe it was a Sephora Play. Something. But I did use mine all the way up. I love this so much. It doesn't irritate my eyes at all, and it definitely like removes all of that makeup. It's one that just rinses off with water. It doesn't leave like a film on your face like some other ones do. But mine lost its lid, so it's all kind of like dirty in there. So maybe I'll ask Sephora to send me a replacement or something. I don't know, because I do really love this. I'll just have to scrape off the top dirty layer. Okay, so the last product in here is from Sephora. Always gotta have a Sephora product. This is the All Day Hydrator. This is a hyaluronic acid. So I do really love hyaluronic acids. I'm actually using one from The Ordinary right now. So I will definitely try this one out and see how I like it. So that's really nice. So going back through everything, I'm pretty much loving everything in this box. I love all three of these products. So the Laneige Sleeping Mask, love it. The Farmacy Green Clean, love it. Don't love that it's dirty though. And the Tarte Foundcealer, also love it. So just those three products alone pretty much make the box for me. But the Rose Hibiscus facial spray is pretty nice. I really like that. And then the hyaluronic acid, I will definitely try. I love hyaluronic acid. So not bad. And then shampoo and conditioner. So I really like this box this month. So let me know what you got in your Sephora Play this month and how you're liking everything. And I will see you in the next video.